Hi friends, welcome to Creative Petals. Today I am back with another experiment. We are going to make a lava lamp at home. Let's make it. For this experiment, we need vinegar, baking soda, vegetable oil, a glass, a container, food color, light and a spoon. Let's start. 4 teaspoons of baking soda. 4 vegetable oil. 4 some vinegar. Add a few drops of food color. Mix it well. Put lights. Now we can keep the container on top of the lights. Now we are switching off the lights. Now pour the vinegar and see the magic of science. Do you know how this works? This works because of the reaction between acids and carbonates. When vinegar, acetic acid, reacts with baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, it forms carbon dioxide. That is what the bubbles are. The bubbles which come up are filled with carbon dioxide. You can do this at home and this is very easy. I hope you like this video and until the next one, see you.